Yeah, buggers, press that bell icon fast to know every time Aunty Maggy's on YouTube, man. This Silu, no? Gets on my nerves, man, a little bit. Just started 2019. By the way, Happy New Year, buggers. Yeah, this is the way to start the year. He's telling me I talk too much. Me? I talk too much? I say what is just to the point, man. My God, not one word extra. Who gets work done around here? Someone has to open your mouth and communicate. What is the point of sitting and staring at a phone the whole day or the TV? Talk too much, it seems. My word. Once I don't talk, no, then he'll know, man, what it's like. And then he's telling me, I bet, no, Maggie, you can't keep quiet for even 1 hour. I said, I can, man. What is there for me to keep quiet? He said, I bet you 2,000 rupees that you can't keep chup for 1 hour. I said, 2,000 rupees? My word, man. You know what I can do with 2,000 rupees? My God, I can have a day frolicking. My God, I can have a week frolicking, man. I said, it's a bet, ya bugger. 1 hour and you see. I can't wait to see the look on his face. Now, how much it's gonna burn him when he loses this bet. I'll keep quiet. For me, what? So easy, man. My word, what's the time? Bye. My time starts. My time starts now!
Mr. Margaret, we are calling from your bank to tell you that your debit card is going to be cancelled. We are not having your details, so you have to come to the bank. You have to bring your husband. You have to come in 3 working days, otherwise your account will be shut. Okay, ma'am, you are coming to the bank. Thank you.
Maggie, how are you? कैसे हो? I'm so happy to see you. Yes, my grandchildren, yes, the whole day I'm cooking only. How is Silu? What happened to your voice? I can't hear you, so strange. You know, tomorrow I'm going to see my son in Dubai. I'm coming after 1 month. Yes. Oh, I'll call you when I come back. ठीक है. What? Okay, bye.
Y'all couldn't even guess. It was so easy, so well I bloody acted, man. How y'all didn't get it? Shame on y'all. Oh my god. That was the longest 1 hour of my life. The most difficult 1 hour of my life, man. This keeping quiet business is more exhausting and more difficult than I thought. You know, there's some people, they do 7-day Vipassana, man, where they are not supposed to talk at all. 7 days! 1 hour was torture for me, man. How do they do it? And then they come out saying they're feeling light and refreshed and all, like it's a mind detox. I can't live, man, without giving my big talks. The world needs me. For me, what? But now, it's time for me to get rich. 2,000 rupees coming my way from none other than the loser, Silu. Yoo-hoo, Silu. Come out wherever you are. It's time to pay up, you bugger, because Aunty Maggy won the bet. Ah! Aunty Maggy won the bet. Aunty Maggy won the bet. Ooh, success and victory feels so good, man. See, you know, sometimes in life, this is the moral of the story of today's episode. Sometimes in life, people will come and they'll tell you that you can't do something. And it's something that is difficult for you. But you can't let anyone else tell you, man, even if it's your own husband, what you can and cannot do. Look at me. I did it, no? I won. Then, tell me something in the comment box about things that you think that you need to conquer, man, in your own life. Aunty Maggy the conqueror, then so can you be. Then, subscribe to the bloody channel, man. Tell your friends, yeah, buggers. Enough is enough now. Getting fed up.